Hello, you're watching Much Ado About Something today, and I'm Donna. And today I'd like to share with you how to make a soothing eye pillow. It's a simple thing to do, but it brings a lot of relief. It's helped me over the years, and I thought I'd share it with you, and maybe it could help you too. Here are some things that you'll need to make this. These are the needed supplies. You'll need some kind of material, and that can be any kind of material. I prefer cotton material. I made my little eye pillow case out of this shower curtain. I cut it in a 9 by 10 piece, and I folded it and I sewed the sides, and I'll show you that. You can use a napkin. That's good material. That's sturdy material. You can use a washcloth. You might want to cut it down a little bit so that it's more like this, so that it'll fit over your eyes. Or you can even use a sock. If you're not one for sewing, you can just take a clean sock and fill it up with flaxseed, rice, or beans, or corn, dried beans. And you can just close the end either by sewing or by tying a knot. It's a simple thing to do, but it brings a lot of relief. Now, I took the shower curtain and I just cut a 9 by 10 piece, and I folded the side that I want to be on the outside together, and then I just took a needle and thread and sewed around the edge. You can see I didn't even worry about the hem on the shower curtain. I just went ahead and sewed it. Now, you want your stitches to be kind of small, because the flaxseed or the rice or whatever you decide to fill your bag with is going to be small, and you don't want it to come through the your stitches. You want your stitches to be small enough to hold the contents that you're going to put inside this bag. So I went ahead and I've sewn two sides, and of course this is the folded side, and so I'm going to turn this right side out. The side that you want out is the side that you're going to put together and sew, and then you'll turn it right side out. So this will be my little pillowcase for my soothing eye pillow right here. Go ahead and get these corners out. Now I'm going to fill this this bag, my little pillowcase that I've got here for my soothing eye pillow right now. I'm going to fill it with rice. You can fill it with your choice of dried rice, flaxseed, dried corn, or dried beans. Either of those ingredients or those will work. Now, I've left a little opening to put my rice in. Now, at this time, I could choose to add herbs, dried herbs. I could add lavender or mint or rosemary. Those are all good for headaches. I could add it to this bag, but I'm going to leave mine pretty plain. I'm just going to go ahead and add my rice. This is a 1 pound bag of rice like you would get at the grocery store. I'm just going to snip a corner of it off of there. I'm going to open up my little bag, and I'm going to put my rice in my little bag, my little pillowcase that I've made. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this whole pound of rice in here. You don't want to put too much rice or too much filler in, because if you do, it's going to make your bag too thick. You could get a funnel to help with this part if you need to. It's a little bit messy. Now after you've added your rice, it should be around about half the filling should be about half of the size of your pillowcase. Your little pillow bag should be filled up at least about halfway full. I'm going to fold this top down a little bit. And then I'm just going to stitch straight across. To close my opening. This also makes a great gift. You can make a bag and make one of these soothing pillows, or really you can use this little pillow for anything. You put it in the freezer and keep it good and cold. It's frozen, and then when you pull it out, it soothes your eyes or your headache. It helps if you have a fever. I love to put them on my throat. If I have a sore throat, I love to pull it out of the freezer and put it on my just across my throat, and it soothes it so much. You can also use it as a heating pad. You can put it in your microwave for about 3 minutes, and that'll turn it into a little heating pack. And that's also a comfort. You can use it on knees, elbows. I use it on my shoulder. Normally I use an electric heating pad on my shoulder. Right now I have impingement, so I have my shoulder's painful. But if I'm going outside to sit with Donald, or we're going out, say we're having a cookout out here and we're eating, then I just go ahead and put one of these on it, and that way, I don't have to worry about having electricity out there. And go ahead and knock this off. Now we've got this knotted off, and here's your soothing eye pillow that you can put in the freezer, or you can put in the microwave for about 3 minutes. You don't want it to be too hot. It shouldn't burn you. It should just be soothing and comforting. Now at this point you can add essential oils to the outside of it if you'd like. I have here eucalyptus, rosemary. There's peppermint. Peppermint's good for a headache. Lavender or frankincense. You can use 1 or 3 of these combined and put it on your eye pillow, your soothing eye pillow, if that's what you would like to do. I usually leave mine unscented. You're going to be putting this in the freezer, and though I do put mine in a zip bag, a Ziploc baggie with this little zipper, I keep them in the freezer like that, and I keep the instructions on the outside what these are. Soothing eye pillow, keep in freezer or microwave for 3 minutes, and do not overheat. But I'll keep these, and I also give these as gifts. When I give these as gifts, I'll be sure to put them in a Ziploc baggie like this with instructions on the outside of what it is and what to do with it. That's very helpful. But I may include an essential oil in the gift basket. Usually peppermint. Peppermint is probably the most basic oil that you can use that's good for a headache. Easy to find. Lavender is the same. They're easy to find. They're useful. And I may include one of those in a gift basket with maybe a quart of soup, a soup ball, and a soup spoon, and a get well card for somebody that's not feeling good. It's a good gift to leave on the porch if they have the flu or a cold or something where you don't want to be around it because you don't want to catch it. But you can make a gift soothing eye pillow or a soothing pillow and put in a gift basket for somebody that's sick. That's a wonderful thing to do with these. They're just a simple, easy to make, soothing little pillow that can help you. Like if you have a migraine, a headache, a stress headache even, you can just lay down and put this across your eyes and your forehead, and it's soothing and it makes you feel better. It's a simple thing to do that has a lot of good results, has a lot of good benefits to it. Well, I hope you'll try this little soothing eye pillow. My advice is to go ahead and make them ahead so that you'll have them in the freezer when something like that does happen. Even if you just need it to soothe a knee or an arm or something, they're great to have on hand. I hope it's something that you can find useful and maybe that you'll consider making for yourself. I thank you for watching me today, watching my channel. I hope this helped you in some way. And like always, until next time.